If your goal is to start a vending machine company or start any other sort of passive income, this is the ebook that you need to get for less than what you would spend at Starbucks, my friends. If you are one of those entrepreneurs that I am speaking to, watch this entire video. If you are not, you don't care, you don't want to make money, leave now. I'm not even talking to you. Don't worry about what we got going on over here. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. I teach credit. I teach how to use OPM, other people's money, to start using it to create multiple streams of income. A vending machine company is just one source that you can start, but inside of this ebook, I give you 24 passive income ideas that you can start here in 2025. Vending machine is probably one of the easiest, and this is why I'm so passionate about it, because this is an easy business that you can purchase using credit cards, 0% interest business credit cards, or even 0% interest personal credit cards. And you can easily get the Sam's Club Business MasterCard, where you can purchase all of your supplies with a business credit card that does not report to your personal credit, getting it using your EIN only. Now, these are all ways that you can leverage credit to start creating income stream. This guide is going to give you everything that you need to do from step A to step Z, plus 24 other ideas that you can use to implement for either yourself, other people, family members, your children, whomever. Because right now it is 2025, guys. Let's just be honest. Having one source of income, even if you make pretty good money, is simply not enough anymore. And the average millionaire out there has at least 7 streams of income that they do, whether it's small or large. All of those little coins add up. And this is a very low starting investment business that you can easily get into and grow within the first few years. You can easily purchase pre-owned equipment, or you can purchase and finance new equipment. There are so many different options out there. There are so many different locations that have a lot of foot traffic where you can bubble. I'm telling you guys, I recently traveled, and throughout the entire airport, I was at Sacramento Airport, I was at Long Beach Airport, I was at, LAX. So I was at all of these different airports, and one thing that I noticed was they all had a ton of vending machines, and there was a ton of people at these vending machines because it makes it easily accessible for people that forgot things, right? Depending on what type of vending company you're going to be, whether that's, fresh foods or supplies, maybe chargers and kits. I saw makeup vending machines, eyelash vending machines, toy vending machines. I mean, you name it. There are so many different options that you have out there. But this is a great way for you to get your kids involved in a side hustle that they can learn the skills of becoming an entrepreneur. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. If you comment the word vending, I will send you my link for you to purchase this for less than what you would spend at Starbucks, guys. It is priced this way because I have to charge something, because I don't want to deal with the tire kickers. I don't want to deal with the people that don't want to take action. I don't want to deal with people that just want to get a free ebook. I would totally give this guide away to you for free, but it did take me a long time to put it together. I want to deal with people that are serious, that are action takers. And like I said, right now, it is less than $10 to get this ebook, guys. Less than $10 for you to get information that could change your life. And if you have further questions, feel free to book a call with me directly. You can also join the credit community, where we talk about this kind of information every single Friday, guys. This is inside of our classroom of the credit community. And we've already done a class on the vending machines, but we have talked about so many other things. We've had guest speakers come on. We've had a lot of fun inside of the community, and all of these master classes are going to be accessible to you. So we're not that community where you join and everything's an upsell to you. We're not that community where you can't get on a live call and not ask questions. You absolutely can. And that's why we have the live calls every Friday. So you can ask the questions that you need to. Say where you were going through a course and you didn't know, something, you can always book a call. But we've got a ton of replays in here: how to start a credit repair business, how to get access to funding. All right. These are things that are going to make you successful and be able for you to do this rinse and repeat for other types of business ventures as well. So my friends, comment the word vending and I will send you exclusive access to get this for less than what you would spend at a Starbucks run or a Dutch Bros run. And I greatly appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. Make sure that you have subscribed to the channel. Give me a huge thumbs up and I will see you next time.